Welcome to another Meditate with me, where we will focus our attention on breathing. However, today we will also imagine that with each inhale we take in the light and peace into our bodies and our lives, and with each exhale we share this light and peace with all living beings. So this is quite nice practice to do, just to enjoy the presence, just to enjoy the breathing experience, and also our bodies, our minds, and our hearts. So I hope you join me in this practice, and of course, as always, this meditation can be done while sitting down, while lying down, or while standing. So simply find a comfortable position, hopefully one where your back is straight, your body relaxed, and where you can remain in this position for a little while. And once you're comfortable, you can choose to either close your eyes or keep them open. Just if you keep them open, remember to keep yourself relaxed and not too intensely focused on the screen. And perhaps simply starting by noticing your position in space. Noticing how your body is situated on the seat, on the ground. Perhaps your feet are touching the ground and your hands are touching your lap. And just experiencing these touch points and the body safely seated, present in the here and now. Taking some deeper breaths to relax even further. Deeper breath in and out. And we'll start simply by using our imagination. With each inhale, imagining that we are breathing in and taking in the light and peace and other qualities. And with each exhale, we are breathing out and sharing these qualities with all living beings. Breathing in, I invite the light and peace into my body, and breathing out, I share the light and peace with all living beings. Breathing in, I invite the wisdom into my mind, and breathing out, I share the wisdom with all living beings. Breathing in, I invite the love into my heart, and breathing out, I share the love with all living beings. Breathing in, I invite the kindness into my belly, and breathing out, I share the kindness with all living beings. Breathing in, I invite the strength into my back, and breathing out, I share the strength with all living beings. Breathing in, I invite the energy into my arms. Breathing out, I share the energy with all living beings. Breathing in, I invite creativity into my hands, and breathing out, I share creativity with all living beings. Breathing in, I invite stability into my legs, and breathing out, I share the stability with all living beings. Breathing in, I invite the belonging into my feet, and breathing out, I share the belonging with all living beings. With each inhale, I recognize the light, the peace, the wisdom and love inside of me, and with each exhale, I recognize same qualities in all living beings. Whenever you're ready, you can come back to the surroundings, perhaps taking a couple of deeper breaths, noticing your feet on the ground, the body sitting or standing or lying down. If your eyes were closed, you can open them now and come back to this space, to the here and now. I hope this short breathing meditation with some imagining of qualities entering our bodies, our minds and hearts was helpful. You can always return to this recording whenever you need a bit of relaxation and more positive kind of experience. And thank you for being here. Thank you for any liking of my videos. If you wish to see more, don't forget to subscribe. And I wish you a wonderful day. Goodbye for now.